Now for the next abnormal heartbeat or heart sound, which we'll be discussing, alright, is the Graham-Steell murmur. Graham-Steell murmur. So what is the Graham-Steell murmur? So it's actually high-pitched. It's an early diastolic murmur. It's caused by what? Pulmonary regurgitation. And this is due to what? Pulmonary hypertension, often secondary to mitral stenosis. So Graham-Steell murmur usually comes in if the mitral valve, okay, blood is flowing in and is actually finding the heart to flow in. It's kind of like narrowed up. You have this sound. So let's continue discussing. What's the key characteristics? You find it, you hear the sound early in diastole. That's when the heart is relaxing for blood to fill into the atrium. So it's high pitched and blowing. Location is best heard at the left sternal border, second intercostal space. Okay. Timing is heard during early diastole as the heart is relaxing early. So respiratory influence accentuated during full inspiration. Okay. Associated conditions. If you hear it, usually associated with pulmonary hypertension, mostly because the mitral valve is being narrowed up. Okay. So Graham-Steell murmur. So pulmonary hypertension increases pressure in the pulmonary artery. This leads to functional pulmonary valve regurgitation, not due to structural valve damage. The regurgitant flow increases the characteristics murmur as the blood leaks back into the left ventricle. So it's commonly found in patients with rheumatic heart disease. May also be seen in patients with chronic coapt pulmonale. Okay, then you can usually find it with other murmurs, alright, or other abnormal sounds. So this is what we got for the Graham-Steell.